Here's our condiment warmer that we're talking about. Not really a whole lot to look on the front, sides, and backs. It's all of what you need to know is right here in the front. We also have a 1 bottle warmer and a 2 bottle warmer. This one you can see is a 3 bottle. Another wonderful kitchen appliance machine here for you, a condiment warmer. For all you professionals out there, and for those of you who like to make lots of hamburgers and hot dogs at home, you might want one of these. Condiment warmer. Put your condiments in, like ketchup, drop it down, and you're all set. Turn the switches on, set the degrees you want, and you're all set to go. Keeps them nice and warm, ready to go. So, these bottles are really cool, and there's a little round thing in the bottom. If you drop it down, it'll center, and it'll be right where it wants to be. If you put it in and you push it on the side, not too cool. Make sure that it's not touching the side when you use it. Get them in, center it nicely, and it'll keep it nice and warm. They also tell me that if you want to, you can put just a little bit of water down in the bottom to help keep it the temperature you want. Cool machine, condiment warmer.